Hi, thanks for joining me in this video. Today I'm gonna do an illustration work of pizza. This is pizza with mandala and Zentangle art. So I did 3 different types of pen sketch in it. The pen that I'm using is Brewster Technical pens in 8 different sizes and 1 brush. Firstly, I'm doing the pizza pen sketch. These technical pens are really good for beginners. I won't say this is the best technical pens, but I will say that it's worth for money compared to other brands. Mostly if you are a beginner in mandala or doodle, then go for this. Even you can use them for designing purpose or any other pen art. Here, I tried to make the pizza look little realistic and added some details in them like olives, meats, onions, sweet corn, cilantro and some other topping details. You can add mushrooms, tomatoes, capsicum or any other toppings that you want. Always, it's fun to do food art. We try to make them look more yummy as possible. And this is abstract work, so it doesn't have to look good or same. Whatever that you create will be an art in abstract, so be confident and go with flow. This is the tip that I'm gonna share in this video. Make your mind calm and go with your pen flow and draw whatever that comes to your mind. Let your creativity out. For the last 2 pizza slice, I did the mandala work. Mandala is an ancient art. Mostly it will be in circular form or it will be focusing on your center point. And here I am doing that in 2 slices of pizza. Focusing my center pizza point and doing the mandala art. On the outside, I did some random Zentangle art designs. There are lots of ideas and designs for Zentangle, and here I am doing the most of the easy Zentangle design. You guys can try them too. As I said before, it doesn't have to be the same as the one I make. It can be irregular or of different size too. Just go with the flow and find your inner peace. Most of the art therapists use doodle or Zentangle or mandala art to relax the mind and help people to find happiness in this busy world. I'm not an art therapist, but I want to suggest for the people who suffer from depression or loneliness or stress. I'm sure it will help your mind. Just do twice or thrice a week or whenever you feel low. Then you will really feel the difference. But don't focus on the end result. Instead, go with the flow. Okay, I will stop here with my therapist talk. And that's it. My pizza with mandala and Zentangle art is done. Thanks for watching.